Hi divas, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, girl, we have a special guest in the house, Miss Toto.
Hola.
So you might be asking, why does she have Trey next to her? Ooh. Or a legend? So for those of you who don't know, Trade to BAE is a series that I'm starting on my channel. It's gonna happen like twice a month where I turn trade into BAE. So basically I'm just gonna do this bitch's makeup and turn her into a beautiful, lovely, cisgendered woman. Well, she is one, but you know what
100%.
I mean. So can you talk about yourself, introduce yourself for those of you who don't know who you are?
What's up, y'all? My name is Miss Toto, or sometimes, usually, I go by Rock, which no one calls me that because I'm a woman. I'm in Miami with Morphine, and the way I paint is not the way that Morphine paints. And she's painted me before, but I'm really excited to see what she does to all this boy mug, honey. And she said she's gonna make me look fish.
Period.
So, and I think I look fish anyway, but
I'm pretty sure everybody has seen your viral videos.
Which
everywhere. Oh. Well, let's get this mug started. I'm super excited. Are you excited?
I'm so excited. I'm like ready to look mujer.
Okay, girl, I can't do this.
Okay.
Look at this. My legs are shaking, girl.
Fitness.
Alrighty guys, so this video is going to be a little bit of a mess. I'm going in voiceover mode just to explain a few things. This is not really a tutorial, but it's more like just me doing Miss Toto's makeup. So as you can see, I already prepped her skin with the Morphe Setting Mist. And then right now, I'm going to be gluing her brows down to filth, making them very flat and smooth.
Taking a shower, and I look down, I see like Head and Shoulders, and I'm like, okay, I don't use Head and Shoulders. I'm still in the shower, so I text John. I'm like, hey girl, did you like shower in my bathroom? And he was like, no, why? And I was like, oh, you don't use Head and Shoulders? And he was like, no, why? I'm like, there's Head and Shoulders in here. And he's like, so then I'm thinking someone is about to murder me.
Are you serious?
I'm like, what the fuck is going on? Like, how did this get here? And then John texts me, he's like, oh, maybe it was like FK or somebody. And then I text FK, I was like, do you wear Head and Shoulders? She's like, yes. I was literally thinking, like, I'm gonna die in here. Like, someone's in the closet and they're gonna stab me. And they took a shower before they killed me.
So right now for foundation, I'm using a mixture of liquid foundations from CoverGirl, and I think I use a little bit of a Wet n Wild foundation just to like get her color correctly and to basically just match her skin tone really nicely. As you can see, it is a little bit light, but it does oxidize a bit, and then I will also make it darker with some bronzer. Right now I'm just powdering the brows, making sure they are flat and seamless. Then I'm going to put some foundation over them. As you can see, it looks amazing. It looks flat. Miss Toto looks like an egg, which is what we want. We want a flat canvas. Now we're adding some concealer. I really truly forgot what concealer this was, but it's a really nice thick concealer. I believe it's from Huda Beauty. I'm not sure. I think it is Huda Beauty. But yes, we're just highlighting the T-zone, the nose, the lip area, and the chin. Make sure you blend that out. Then I'm just going to do some cream contour. This is Beautiful Bronze by LA Girl Cosmetics. As you can see, it gives a nice chiseled cheek. Then I'm going to powder her under eyes with some powder. I believe this is some Airspun powder. And then I'm just going to pat her entire face, make sure that shit does not move anywhere. So now we're going to move on to brows, and we're using Miss Anastasia Beverly Hills. In the shade, I used to say ebony. Wait,
it's ebony.
Ebony.
Oh, on video?
All the time.
Ebony. Ebony Jenkins.
Look straight.
Yes.
Alrighty, y'all. So y'all know brows for me is one of the hardest things to do. I just can't. I hate doing them, but I always manage to figure it out. So as you can see, I added like 3 dots, and I started measuring where
like her nose and her eye is, and I just started like, I don't know, I just like drew brows on her, like, and they came out sickening. So yeah, that happened. It looks weird right now, but it'll look sickening later on.
So what was your reaction when Netflix offered you a free account?
Oh, when they offered me a free account, I said, Mary? Even though it's like $12 a month, that $12 adds up. And as a broke bitch, you choose your battles. Any win is a win.
Alrighty, so right now I am bronzing her skin, giving her a chiseled forehead, a chiseled jaw, and a chiseled cheek. And what I'm using is the Anastasia medium to tan contour kit. One of my favorite contour kits of all time. As you can see, her cheek looks chiseled.
Did you hear it?
Did you hear it?
We win! The gays win! It's like having you go lightheaded and then your knees also buckle and every muscle in your body relax, mainly your asshole. Yes. I see.
Alright guys, so right now I am contouring her nose, making that shit look snatched and pointed. I want her to basically not be able to breathe. That's the look we're going for. And then right now I'm baking that nose. So for eyes, we are obviously going to be using the James Charles palette. No, I do not own one. This is Miss Toto's, but it's one of my favorite palettes actually of all time. And we are using the deep purple to...
Hello, I'm Miss Toto MUA. I must laugh.
And now I'm just extending that shadow all the way to her temples, making her very pulled and very snatched. And then I cut the crease off camera and I'm using this white shimmery shade on her lid.
Who's your favorite in the beauty community right now?
Morphine Love MUA.
With paid sponsorship by Morphine.
With paid sponsorship by Morphine Love MUA. I don't know. No, my favorite person in the beauty community. I do love watching Morphine do makeup. I love Patrick Starr because she's funny. I love Sister James. I really do. Like the palette and like just actually following her and seeing that she's not like people think she is.
Right. Exactly.
Yeah. And after meeting her, she was so cool and not a bitch.
Yeah, she's one of the sweetest people I've ever met, to be honest.
So nice. And that's why I purchased her palette and because it's really, really good. Oh my god. Makeup by Shania, period.
Oh,
Period!
And girl, if you're
watching WTF?
Period!
Like literally Makeup by Shania boots. That's it.
She's the only one, girl. I'm sorry.
The only person in the makeup community that I care about.
Do you follow her on Twitter, obviously?
Yes!
Girl, come on.
Her mugs are just incredible. Do you have something to say? Do you have something to say?
Alrighty, so right now I am blending that crease, making sure everything looks blended out. And then right now I'm using the roller liner by Benefit Cosmetics to create a sharp ass wing. It's actually one of my all-time favorite liners at the moment. It's super black, super pigmented, and super precise.
Alrighty, so we're almost done with the eyes. So now we're gonna add a pop of color. I usually never do this. I only do this for my really fishy clients.
So me.
My clients that are very feminine. They
So
have
me.
feminine features.
Me.
So
I have high cheekbones.
oh boo, girl, these are her real cheekbones.
I'm
They're
not
not. They're
pumped
not
yet.
like Kimora Black, like how she's pumped. You know what I mean? But like,
I'm not pumped
I
yet.
actually love her. Weird.
What's the payoff? Oh.
Yeah, it's like blue.
It's blue.
Sorry. Oh, it's like turquoise.
Turquoise.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so going in with the Crown Highlighter Palette, I'm going to be using this beautiful gold shade to highlight her cheeks, her nose, and just basically her entire face. And then right now I'm going to be lining her lips with, I totally forgot what this lip color was, but it is like a dark purple lip liner from MAC Cosmetics. I think it's called Night Moth. Yeah, I think it's Night Moth. And I'm basically just drawing on my lip on her, and as you can see, it looks so good. And then I'm going to be using this The Balm Cosmetics liquid lipstick that smells amazing. And I'm just basically creating like an ombre effect.
So she doesn't know what she looks like at all. So we're gonna put on some lashes, a wig, whatever the fuck.
Can I wear a human?
Period. Period. So we're gonna get this girl together and we'll be right back. Alrighty guys, are you ready to see Miss Toto painted by me? 1, 2. Girl, how do you feel, mama?
I literally feel like really fish.
Right? Like, just came off the boat. That sounded really bad.
Just came out of the water. Not out of the book, just off the boat. Wow. But like, just wow.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
These lashes are custom by me. I made these lashes. Coming soon, you know, a brand maybe. I don't know.
Maybe.
But,
Wow.
thank you so much for being on my channel.
Thank you for painting me. I love this.
Thank you for being the first guinea pig subject to be on my channel to do this series.
I'm living.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this series. I know it was a lot to handle and a lot to, it was a lot, but
To process.
yeah, it was just too much. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.
Down below.
Yes, down below. My Instagram and Twitter is MorphineLove, MUA. And my Snapchat is also MorphineLove. What are your handles?
My handle is at the Miss Toto, TheMissToto on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Vimeo, and YouTube.
Vimeo.
Vimeo, honey.
Okay.
Vimeo.
I love you guys so much, and please stay safe.
Stay safe. That's cute.
Okay, wait.
Cool.
Okay.